Welcome guys. So yeah, here we are. This is going to be just kind of a video review of the Remark exhaust. This is the Remark axle back system for the 2022 GR86 / BRZ. You know, I wanted to get something that, you know, one of the main things that attracted me was price. You know, this is about 400 bucks shipped, and you know, shout out to Import Image Racing for their fast shipping and great product. Throughout the unboxing, I mean, it's pretty small package and also very light. It's probably about 13 pounds was about the weight of the package. Yeah, very simple. My brother, I highly recommend getting an exhaust hanger tool, removal tool. Paid like 13 bucks. It did its job. My brother John, you know, we did it together, and you know, we knocked down. It had to be like 15 minutes. So we jacked it up from the differential, jack stands on each side, and then it's just the 2 bolts from the axle back. Super easy. Probably the easiest, one of the easiest installs we've done on any car. And then so next was the sound. Obviously the cold start on these FA24s are pretty freaking loud, but it dies down drastically once it's warmed up. So same case with this, and the tone is great. It's perfect. I will play you the before and after clips, you'll see. But man, it's just I love it. It's compared to stock. I mean, you can't beat it. For the price, you cannot beat it. And it's not ricey either. It's very mellowed out because you still got the OEM resonator, and you're really essentially it's a muffler delete. And I could not be happier. So yeah, let's go for a drive and so you guys can see what it sounds like inside and outside. But I will say there is some droning, so don't expect no drone at all, because you're deleting the muffler, you're gonna have drone regardless. So I love it, so there you go. So we're in the car here. We got the Remark axle back system. Well, the reasons for going with an axle back, well, one, the price point. I mean, you're looking at about 380, roughly 400 bucks for an axle back. And the reason I got it is because I really just wanted to get some sound out of the exhaust, because the active sound is disabled currently. And you can't really hear the car much other than that. I mean, it's not very, you know, it's hard to hear. So having an an exhaust sound helps a lot now with the driving engagement, especially if you're at the track. You know, you can clearly hear what gear you're in and if you need to shift. So basically, I was just looking for something just to get some sound and just to get me started until, if I want to upgrade later on, you know, that option's always there. But other than that, this exhaust has been great. I mean, you're gonna have some drone, obviously, because I mean, just think about it, you're deleting a muffler, and you're gonna get drone, so it's inevitable. But it's not too bad. Like I said, it makes the driving so much more fun, and you know, beautiful. So right now, this is about 1,500 RPMs, and this is the microphone. I mean, you can hear it. I'll let you listen. So that's about 1,000. This is 2,000. Drop it down. This is fourth gear, about 3,000. You know, not too bad. I like it. I like it a lot. So if you're not looking for drone, I would just stay away from this because you're gonna get drone. But man, it is so much better over stock. It's just like, it's a night and day difference, and for the price, I mean, you just can't beat it. Beautiful. Oh man, but yeah, so you know, it's a great system, and hopefully you can hear by the exhaust clips and get an idea, you know, of what it sounds like. But yeah, it's great. No regrets. Obviously, the exhaust I was kind of eyeing up is, you know, the AWE Touring, but that's about $1,200, and that has mufflers. So, you know, you probably get a nice smooth tone out of that. But what I like about the Remark system, I mean, you're basically deleting your muffler, and you're getting two nice bigger tips in the back. And you know, I went with the single wall because honestly, I like the look better. I normally would have gone double wall, but I really like the single wall because it's just less things you have to clean up. It's just easier. So and I love the look of it, and it's great. So we'll do a pull here so you can get a sound. It makes driving so much more fun when you can hear your car. I mean, there's no better feeling in that. We all know that once you get that exhaust. And obviously when you get under a tunnel, windows down, music down, send it. So I haven't done that yet, so I don't know. Great exhaust system, great bang for the buck. I mean, I'm happy, man. I love it. For like I said, I'll just let the rest of the video do the talking, but I love the way it looks. You know, shout out to Import Image Racing. I actually placed the order, and it came within a few days. I believe they shipped out of Florida. And I was watching all the videos, so I watched, you know, shout out to Jay Sauce, Kevin Vo, Import Image Racing. Those are the main ones that I watched over and over again to finally make me, you know, decide to actually go and try this out, you know, for the price. Like, it was just hard to beat. So, huge shout out to you guys. Huge shout out to Import Image Racing. And Import Image Racing actually sent me a message, and they're like, hey, your order will be shipped out in the morning. I was like, whoa, this is sweet. And so, like, we're commenting back and forth on the video. And so, yeah, so huge shout out to them. Great products, fast shipping, highly recommended. Other than that, hope you enjoyed this driving, you know, sample clip. You can get a feeling for the sound, and then we'll cut back to the end. There she is. So that was it. So overall, I highly recommend this exhaust, especially if you're just on a budget and you just want to get some sound out of your car, or if you want to take it to the track and you just want to hear something. This is a great solution, and for 400 bucks, you can use that extra 600 to 800 to get coilovers or something else, you know, put it towards something else. So I'm very happy with this so far. I do plan to get the Tomei unequal length header and pair it with this exhaust. So I'm very excited to see how that sounds. And I also did just order Raceland coilovers. They have them for the first gen, but I haven't confirmed fitment for the second gen, but I'm gonna find out and I will report to you guys how, if they fit, and if they do, that's awesome, because Raceland offers a lifetime warranty on their products, and I had them on my Forester. So very excited to see if they fit. Hopefully it does. And yeah, and after that, this car will be good for this year. I mean, only 1 month left, but I probably plan to get the OEM wheels, you know, painted gray or something, gunmetal or something like that. And that should hold me over. In the meantime, I think after the wheels, coilovers, I'll probably just look into upgrading the speaker system, get the OEM plus speakers, and then a subwoofer, and that's it, and then just enjoy it from there. So very happy with this car so far. About 4,000 miles, still in love with it every single time I start it, every time I drive. The Continentals add extra grip for this car, and it's just so much more fun, very just confidence inspiring, and I'm just very excited to just keep this car for a very long time, and who knows, maybe get a second one down the road, like a manual, and use that. So yeah, hope you enjoyed this, and I hope you guys are all doing well, and we'll see you on the next video. Tai tai ta.